Welcome to the channel of Learn English with Anam. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or just looking to polish your English skills, this podcast is the perfect place for you. In this very first episode, I'll be introducing myself, what this channel is all about, and what you can expect in the upcoming episodes. So let's get started. My name is Anam, and I've been passionate about teaching English for many years. I've helped students from around the world improve their speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence in English, and now I want to help you too. On this podcast, we'll be learning English in a fun, clear, and simple way. Each episode will focus on a specific topic such as common phrases, pronunciation tips, grammar explained in easy terms, or even practice dialogues you can follow along with. We'll also have themed episodes like English in Daily Life, Speak Like a Native, English for Travel, and interviews or stories that help you learn in context. And don't worry, we'll keep it slow, clear, and useful for all levels. So make sure to subscribe to this podcast and join me every week as we take your English skills to the next level. You can also follow me on TikTok for more content, transcripts, and practice activities. Thank you for tuning in to Learn English with Anam. I'm excited to start this learning journey with you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next episode.